Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can blur information out in Premiere Pro. So I have this video here of a notepad with some information in, so I'm going to bring it onto the timeline. And then as you can see, there is a username and password, so that is the information that we're going to be blurring out. So to blur out the information, we first need to make a copy of the video. So to do that, we're going to hold down the Alt key on the keyboard, and then we're going to click on the video and we're going to drag up. So what that will do is that will make a copy of the video and it will place it above. So now we've done that, we're now going to click the Effects tab, and then in the search bar we're going to type Gaussian. And then under the video effects and then blur and sharpen, you should be able to see a Gaussian blur effect. So we're going to drag the Gaussian blur effect onto the video clip that we copied, like so. And then we're going to click on the video clip and we're then going to click Effects Controls. Now in the Effects Controls, under the Gaussian blur, you should be able to see an option called blurriness. Now the higher the blurriness is, the blurrier the video will be. So I'm just going to enter 20 in the blurriness, and as you can see that has now blurred the whole video. So now we're going to use the crop effect to reduce the area that the blurriness is visible over. So to do that, we're going to come back to the Effects tab, and then in the search bar, we're just going to type crop, and then under Video Effects and Transform, you should be able to see a crop effect. So we're going to drag the crop effect onto the video that we copied again, and now as you can see in the Effects Controls, there is now a crop effect, and we're just going to roughly crop the video down so it's about over where the information is. And then once we've done that, we're then going to change the zoom level, and I'm going to set mine to 150%, just so I can see the information better. And now we're just going to click on the left in the crop effect here, and that will then bring up the box like so. So now we can just drag the box around and we can adjust the crop much easier. So now I've adjusted the crop. If I set the zoom back to fit and I play it, as you can see, the information is now blurred out. And if we want to blur it out more or less, all we need to do is click on the video clip and then change the blurriness. So if I just change it to 5, as you can see, the information is much less blurred out. But if I change the blurriness to, say, something like 50, it is now blurred out more. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.